Top 5 Best Gaming PC Setup. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR, 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗵𝗲𝗏𝗏𝗂𝘐 Gaming PC. This rig doesn't just play games, it devours them. Built for competitive esports athletes, immersive VR explorers, and creators who demand zero lag, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR delivers raw power with surgical precision. At its heart, an Intel Core i7-14700F and a GeForce RTX 4060 with 16GB of VRAM, outpacing last-gen GPUs by over 30% while handling ray-traced worlds effortlessly. Paired with 16GB of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, load times vanish, and multitasking becomes seamless. Wi-Fi 6 and Windows 11 Home ensure you're future-ready from day one. Whether you're streaming, rendering, or dominating in Cyberpunk 2077, this machine responds like an extension of your reflexes. It's not just about specs, it's about freedom. One note, the stock cooling is adequate, but hardcore overclockers might consider an upgrade. Still, for its class, this PC strikes a rare balance of performance, reliability, and value. Number 4. MSI Codex Z2 Gaming Desktop with RTX 5070 and AMD R7-8700F. This machine doesn't just play games, it dominates them. The MSI Codex Z2 packs an AMD Ryzen 7 8700F and a GeForce RTX 5070, delivering buttery smooth 1440p performance that leaves last-gen rigs in the dust. With 32GB of blazing DDR5 RAM and a massive 2TB NVMe SSD, load times vanish and multitasking feels effortless. Whether you're crushing esports titles, streaming, or diving into VR, this Windows 11 ready beast handles it all without breaking a sweat. USB-C connectivity future-proofs your setup, while the sleek design fits any space. It's built for serious gamers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts who refuse to compromise. Sure, it's not the most compact tower, and hardcore overclockers might crave more manual tuning options, but for raw power and reliability straight out of the box, few desktops match its value. The Codex Z2 isn't just a PC. It's your competitive edge. Number 3. CyberPowerPC 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗵𝗲𝗏𝗂𝗐 RTX 5060 Gaming PC. This rig doesn't just meet gaming standards, it redefines them. Built for competitive players, content creators, and VR enthusiasts who demand fluid performance without compromise, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme delivers. At its core, the Intel Core i5-13400F and GeForce RTX 5060 8GB GPU crush modern titles at high settings, while 16GB of blazing DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD ensure lightning-fast load times and multitasking ease. Compared to similarly priced builds, this system offers superior thermal design and out-of-the-box Wi-Fi readiness, no extra dongles needed. Windows 11 Home arrives pre-installed, so you're gaming in minutes. It's engineered to immerse you, whether you're streaming, rendering, or diving into virtual worlds. That said, hardcore 4K enthusiasts might eventually crave more GPU headroom. But for 1080p and 1440p dominance with room to grow, this machine strikes a rare balance of power, polish, and value, right now. Number 2. iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro Gaming PC with Ryzen 9 and RTX 5070 This machine doesn't just play games, it dominates them. The iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro is built for serious gamers, content creators, and multitaskers who demand elite performance without compromise. At its core, the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X delivers blistering speeds, while the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 16GB GPU renders lifelike visuals with ray tracing that feels almost cinematic. Paired with 32GB of blazing DDR5 RGB RAM and a lightning-fast 2TB NVMe SSD, load times vanish and multitasking becomes seamless. Windows 11 Home ensures a smooth, modern experience right out of the box, plus, a keyboard and mouse are included. Compared to pre-builts with last-gen specs, this rig offers tangible upgrades in both power and responsiveness. Sure, it's not upgrade-friendly mid-case, but for a turnkey powerhouse that looks as fierce as it performs, the Y40 Pro stands in a league of its own. Number 1. SEDETA L-shaped gaming desk with LED lights and power outlet. Your gaming setup just got a serious upgrade. Meet the SEDETA L-shaped gaming desk, engineered for serious players, remote professionals, and multitaskers who demand more from their workspace. This isn't just another desk, it's a command center. With a built-in power outlet, pegboard for gear, and vibrant LED lighting, it transforms chaos into control. The reversible design fits any room, while the keyboard tray and storage bag keep essentials within reach. No more clutter, no more distractions. Compared to flimsy competitors, SEDETA delivers rock-solid stability and smart organization. Whether you're crushing raids or crushing deadlines, this desk adapts. Sure, assembly takes a bit of time, and the LEDs need a USB power source, but the payoff? Immense. Sleek, functional, and built to last, this black beauty doesn't just hold your gear. It elevates your entire experience. Game on. Work smarter. Live better. Thanks for watching Best Gaming PC Setup. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.